Oh, wait, what? Okay. Hey guys, today I'll be showing you some slime dares, not squishy dares. Slime is kind of like squishy dares. Like a squishy. It's not really slow rising though. Like, one of the slime dares. Have it ate. Don't judge. So one of the squishy dares is, slime dares is, says it right there. Says, don't look at my pimple. It says, I dare you to hammer your slime with a toy hammer. Okay? What? Who would even think of that? Do you hammer your freaking slime? Like, what the crap? Who would hammer their slime? But you said it, so got a toy hammer, and I'm gonna hammer. I'm gonna hammer my slime. I am so sorry. I'm gonna dress him for his funeral. Hey, what? Yeah, sorry. I'm sorry. So, I'm gonna show you. So, there's my slime. You're hurting me! I don't know why it's so dark. I really can't see it. Rest in peace, slime. Actually, rest in pieces. Rest in pieces. Oh, no! I thought I got these beads that were in my slime into my food. Terrible day for me today. Okay, I forgot to tell you, if you like the video, then subscribe down below and give me a like, blah, 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 yeah, stuff like that. You heard it every video. Like, no duh this week. Duh. Yeah. The video's not over. No. It's not over. So I have a couple of things. This. Oh my god, that looks blue in here. This is not blue. This is purple. That's so weird. What? So yeah, here's a brush. A toy thingy mabob. I don't know, I think it's a smoothie maker or something, but it works. So that was cute because it was only like $2, $2.50. Yeah, I think. Yeah, $2.50. And there's this. Some of y'all seen it on TV. It's Fun Factory. So you smash your Play-Doh. You put your Play-Doh right there, and you just push down. And it smashes and it comes out here. And everything that I'm showing you here is what we're gonna be using as a material. I'm not telling you yet because I'm gonna read the comments and I'm gonna show you. So these are little like cars. This is like a face emoji, and that's like a butterfly. They help your like slime or your Play-Doh. It makes like designs on it. So yeah. So first we're gonna start off with the purple egg maker. This was $1.50. No, that's too much. It was $1. Just $1 for this little thing. It should have been 50 cents. Just saying. And it's pretty cute because it came with this weird shaping thingy. And so let's start. So what you do is you get a piece of your slime I have black slime. I don't know why I brought my black slime today, just because, like, I was in a hurry to do this video because I'm leaving later. And, so yeah, pretty much like that. That's the only reason why I like. Oh my goodness, I forgot to tell you. I feel so stupid now. At the beginning, I was supposed to tell you this, but if any of y'all like my background, it's called Dream. And whenever you're doing a YouTube channel, it like has this magic and you can turn on music during your thing, during your video and stuff. So let's start, because I need to stop talking. I just need to stop talking. So I'm gonna put this in here. And if you keep watching, I am not going to show you it right now because I want y'all to keep watching the video. So, I'm not going to show you it to the end of the video. I know, so mean. So mean. So, I'm going to keep that in there, and at the end of the video, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Girl! Okay, so, the next one is wait, let me read it. I dare you to, I can't really see that, so, I dare you to get a brush and smack your slime with the brush. Who would think of that? That's weird. But it's for y'all, so I have to do it. I don't have to do it, but I like to do it. I want to do it. So I'm going to go all the way back here, put my slime right there. Wait a second. My slime right there. So I'm going to spread this out. This is for y'all because I love this brush. It's so pretty and silky and just like everything that you can ever dream of. So yeah, let's start. Oh God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I can't do it. Hey, look what it did. Like, press it down. Look at that. So weird. I feel so stupid for doing that. So now it's smacking time. Bad boy. Bad black slime. Bad, 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 bad. I didn't mean to do it. Why would she do this to me? Sorry. What's done is done. So, I have oh God, almost fell. 2 more things to do. One of them is, wait a minute. Don't judge. It says don't judge a book by its cover. So don't judge me by my cover. So I'm not going to talk for a couple minutes. I'm just going to do the slime smoothie in a minute. Right now I'm just going to pound it again. My dad was coming through the window. I'm at my windows. See, I can show you, I think. That's not my window. I don't know what that is. Ew. From the slime. This stinks. This stinks bad. So, my next one is, let me read it. I dare you to make a slime smoothie with a toy blender. Okay. That's deep. Trying to get all these beads. So, I don't have a toy blender, but I have this, like I was showing you. So, yeah, let's start. So, let's pick it up. Put that right there. And put my slime right there. Oh, God, this is deep. Okay. So, now I'm just going to put it around the blazer. I wonder if this will work since it did. Wait a minute. So, I wonder if this will work because it's a toy blender, so it might not. I don't know. So, let's start the action. Oops. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, it's barely working. Okay. That's weird. I will show you what it did in a second. Oh my god, I love this background so much though. So I'm going to show you what it did. So let me get it over here. It's so weird what it did though. Like where the two blender thingies were. This is what it did. It literally did like weird object. Looks like a slug with ears. Like a wave. Oh, that's a perfect wave though. Look at that. That's a perfect wave. So, now we got one more thing, and then we're going to show you the egg. The egg! So, now, the most sad part I did not want to do. The chopper. So let's start. So, put this piece of slime down into the hole. Put it down into the hole. Now let's push. So I'm going to do that angle. From this angle. So watch. Genius. Whoever made this is a genius. What?
What are you doing?
I'm doing nothing.
Videotaping yourself?
Yeah, I do it every day.
Thought you threw that shit away.
What stuff?
Slime.
No, that was blue. That was the other one I made.
Quit tying shit on your door.
I'm sorry. That was my stupid dad. So, this is what it looks like. I literally did not do anything because I don't have the chopper right now. The other piece. But it is the moment you've all been waiting for. So let's get that out. Look, it's like whenever you get first putty, it's like in its own container. It makes like this weird shape. Look at that though. It's like a weird putty, but it's not. Poor egg. But I'm totally gonna do that again. So let's get it out. It's so cool. Like That is so worth $1. I would even pay like $2 for that. But thank you for watching. If you like the videos, please subscribe down below. So thanks for watching.